Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to dispute on AliExpress. So before even opening a dispute on AliExpress, you should understand when exactly you can do that. And the first reason could be that your order didn't arrive to you, or it arrived but it came damaged, wrong, fake, or missing parts. And the last reason could be that your item doesn't match description. So let's go to account at the bottom right corner of the screen and enter My Orders tab. And here you should find order that you want to dispute for. Tap on it to open its details. So it should look like this. This is order details page. And now you want to find this button, Open Dispute, and then press it, which will open basically this dispute page. So now we should fill in this little form, and the first thing that you should pick is options, how we want to do basically your dispute. So you could do only refund in case when you want to keep your item and get your money back, and the second option is refund and return item when you want to send your item back and get full refund. Then you should select dispute reason, so you should tap this arrow and you will get list and basically select your dispute reason. Then you should fill in your refund amount. So you should enter full amount if your package didn't arrive at all, or partial refund if you will keep your item but you want some money back. And next you should specify why you want to get your refund here in this box. So explain your reason in details. And last thing is that you should upload your evidence, why basically you want to get your refund right here. So you can upload photos, videos, I don't know, maybe some kind of screenshots, whatever that will support your argument. And do not forget to submit it by pressing this red button. So that's basically how you can dispute on AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.